Hello, today's project is repairing a cone crusher. The crusher's shaft is an interference fit on the cone, and when something gets jammed up, this can slip. When that happens, it needs to be repaired, and that's what we're going to do today. The bore in the cone head has been cleaned up, and now we need to deal with the shaft. We have a very old lathe we keep around just for this sort of work. The shaft is mounted in the lathe, the surface ground down to get a clean surface to weld, and then we preheat. With the preheating done, we build up the shaft with weld, then it's off to the lathe for final dimension turning. Now the fun starts. This bottle of large and rather expensive liquid nitrogen arrived, and it's time to assemble the interference or shrink fit. Liquid nitrogen is added to a container in which the shaft is immersed. The liquid nitrogen is at negative 196 Celsius, so it's just boiling away all the time. Jobs like this are always a bit nerve-wracking because you've only got one shot at it. Here the team's cooling the shaft and setting some heaters up on the cone, just looking for a blanket to retain as much of that heat as possible. It's the moment of truth. And the team nailed it. That just worked perfectly, and this assembly will be going back to the customer to get their machine running. We do all manner of heavy equipment repairs, machining, welding, design build. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks for watching.